Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I'm working in my Dilutions journal. I believe this is the last spread in the book. I'm pretty sure. And I've had this bird tissue. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. I think it might be some Tim Holtz. It came in a roll in a little short tube. I have this one and one other that I've just been hanging on to for quite a while. And well, because like how many birds of the same kind can you collage onto all your artwork, right? I wonder if they're small enough to fit onto ATCs. I could do a whole bunch of bird ATCs. That's an idea. I want to use some stuff up, right? Like I have all this stuff that I've picked up on clearance at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And, well, the tissue, I mean, it's perfectly fine as the same day I bought it. But some stuff, like my paints, are starting to get kind of solid or separate. So my goal is to use up stuff I already have. So I don't buy much. I must admit, my sister sent me a TikTok video of a lady showing all the Hobby Lobby clearance. And she asked, is Hobby Lobby going out of business? Look at all this fun clearance. So I had to go look. None of the art supplies were on clearance. Well, I did find a liner paintbrush, so I bought that. But it was mostly home decor, which is okay. But I don't think they're going out of business. They're just changing seasons or something. Getting rid of the old, coming in with the new. All right, so this is my favorite blue. It's indethionine, I think is what it's called. Blue. And I'm just using it to make the birds in the sky. Make it look like sky, anyway. I'm just going around. I've got a baby wipe, and I'm just dipping into the paint and rubbing it in. And some places where I didn't actually collage anything, it accepts the paint a little bit differently. So it's a little splotchy, but it's okay. So how's everyone doing today? I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing good here. Well, I did a lot of walking yesterday. My leg muscles are very sore. I don't know. I think I have knee issues. I need to see my doctor about it, but still got 10,000 steps in yesterday, which it's really hard for me to get that many steps in. I work from home. I like to do art, so I don't do a lot of wandering. How about you guys? Any of you like fitness fanatics? I know a lot of people like to run, jog. Yeah, that's never been me, unfortunately. But I do want to still be able to walk around. Guess I should go see the doctor about my knee. Get it dealt with. So I'm just doing an extra coat, trying to darken up things around the birds. And after I did this part, I sat with it for a while. I'm like, oh, that was my only thought was to put those birds on that page. What am I going to do? It needs something, right? It needs something else. So it's been a while since I've drawn like a figure. So I decided I would draw like kind of like a woman in a dress. Maybe she's walking through a bird, what an aviary? in this dress. And I just do her back so I don't have to deal with the face, you know. So I'll give her some hair, sketch her out there. And I think I go in with the Stabilo, because I like when I hit that Stabilo with matte medium, because it creates its own shading, which I kind of like. Oh my gosh, I had to stop recording for the voiceover for a second because I thought my screen had frozen. No, my hand had stopped moving. I don't know if I was thinking of something. I do have a TV going sometimes when I create, so I might have gotten focused on what was happening. I don't know, but I totally thought the screen had frozen for a second. Did you? Got you on pause there. You got to see that spot for a minute. I don't know. All right, so I'm adding matte medium, and that's just creating some shading. And hopefully sealing in the Stabilo so I don't get extra smears. I think some of it didn't quite seal the matte medium because I go in with, I take sort of a pinky color. I think it's peach. I think it says it's peach. And do this and do the skin. Just a light coating. It still looks kind of dark, you know. Yeah, like it's still activating. So maybe her skin will be gray. All right. And I just picked a color. I like teal, so I picked the teal color for her dress. Looks like one of those fishtail dresses. Maybe she's a mermaid in disguise in the sky with the birds. I decide it needs to stand out more. So I'm going to add, let's try and get some more flesh color into the skin. And then I think I add a little bit of a lime green to her dress. Well, and that could make it even look more mermaidy like. Oh, it's yellow, which makes it look a lime green. I do that and then I wipe it back a little bit. So now I decided, okay, I've got a girl in there now. It needs a quote or something. So I dug through my words and I have a sentence that came out of a magazine, and we're going to add that. So this one's a pretty quick little page, I think. Got to trim it down so that I can fold the book closed. So I decided to trim it on all sides. Well, the other side said, find your paradise. I had a choice, soak in the moment or find your paradise. So we went with soak in the moment. So what do you think? Do you like this page? Yay, the book is done. My next video will be a flip through of the entire art journal. I haven't had one of those in a while. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.